The process begins as enormous, brightly colored lizards are carefully sorted inside the main reception hall. Each giant reptile is placed into reinforced trays for controlled movement through the facility. Automated systems take over, transferring the giant lizards to the next stage. Every tray is scanned and logged with precise digital identification. A high-pressure cleaning system prepares the reptiles for processing. The stunning stage ensures a safe and controlled transition to primary processing. Technicians begin the initial preparation for hide removal. Advanced machinery performs the precise removal of the reptile hides. The oversized hides move into the chemical treatment sector. Chemical washing removes impurities and prepares the hides for tanning. Tanning strengthens the hides and enhances their vivid coloration. Each hide is stretched evenly to achieve a smooth and uniform finish. The drying chamber completes the curing phase as airflow moves through the rows of hides.
Every finished hide is carefully inspected and graded for quality.
The final products are packaged and prepared for global distribution. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more factory stories.